Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine where I will be 5 minutes typing and then I will do Java tutorial. Here we go. So let's start. 5 minutes of typing I do on typing.io. That's my weapon of choice. I really like it. Thank you very much for creating this page. And we will just start, shall we? Uh, 4%. Oh, not bad, not bad. Just keep at it. That is the main thing, as always. of time, and I do Java, so I will open Java project, Java playground. Where's my IntelliJ here? I'll open it in this window. We'll close you. I'll stop this timer and start the other one. Maybe, if I'm lucky. Okay, here we go. Now we will move the IntelliJ into view. Come on. Here we go. That's it. That's it. And apparently we are doing it on tutorials. Point. And getting current date and date and time, getting correct thing. Okay. So it is date date and time. So it's right here. And I am on getting it. Alright, so I will have a look in the last commit, which thing I did. That takes a while. So date and time chapter. I don't want to do if I want to go to the source, which is F4, not enter. So we will press F4 and just go there, right? So now what? Okay, maybe that's the next thing I should do, right? So we said that I want to do getting correct date and time. I'll copy you and we'll find you in here. Current, getting current time, date and time. So this is a very easy method to get current time and okay, cool. Date and time in Java, you can use a simple date object with toString method to print the current date and time as follows. I say new date and that's it. I will do that. Okay, so that's it. Then we have date comparison. Okay, so I will steal you from here, go over there, and I say sort. And here I will output that guy, and maybe I will boom. So it looks pretty here. Now we say new date, like so. Then I extract it to this occurrence only, date 2, why not? And then I can output it like so, date 2. This is how it goes in here. What else? What else? Bum bum bum. I'll have some look somewhere else. And I think I want to kind of change my appearance, and this is presenter or presentation something, presentation assistant. Here we go. And I want to change the color scheme. I want to invert the thing. So foreground is this guy, which I want to copy. Cancel. Then background. Background. Here we go. So I copy you, and then I will paste you in here. So this is that guy. Choose, and then foreground will be the dark one. So we will insert this guy over here. Choose, apply, okay. And here we go. So that looks better. So I do this, find path, sure, and or this, Control Shift A. I'll keep it for the moment. So we have a new date that is that. Then we have date comparison. So I will use that in here, and I will copy you, and you, my friend, will go inside of here. So we'll choose to select those guys and delete those lines, and I have date new. So I will say I will say date now, no. Then I will say new date, and here I will say one extracted to just this occurrence, and this will be date first. Here we go, and we can compare it, and it is compared to, right? So get time before after equals compared to you can use get time to update a number in milliseconds, elapsed since midnight. Yeah, and compare those two values. So I can say here date now, get time. So that is the one way which I can work with. So I will say I can dot get time plus that, and then I can compare them, right? So I can say um, date now compared to date first, and this will say 1, I think. And if I would revert it, that would set -1. Let's confirm it. And I will say here I can compare to pom pom. Come on, pom pom. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful. And okay, maybe I don't need the version control over here. So we can see that it is 1, which means it is after that. So then we have before and after. So that is uh, before before that we will use the same thing, and so I will say date now before date first, and I can say after as well. So those are some things. How can I compare things, compare the dates in there? What else? Bum, bum, bum. Before after equals, I can do equals I didn't do, so I can do so. Well, I did this already. Whatever, I went through the things, and here it says before date now before date first is false. Yeah, date now is not before, but date now is after date first. Okay, so that one works. What else? We have some format codes. So this is interesting. Date formatting using simple date format. So this is something we can go and do. So I guess I will copy you and then paste you here, and then what? I will steal this. Not come on, like that, and then oh, come on. Here we go. Date using simple format. Okay, so I do new simple date format. Okay, look in the parameters and there is a string pattern, and I can say uh, why. Oh, come on, that is a year. Maybe if I write it ever. Year, for example, that. So I will say simple year, right? Then we can have a, I don't know, this will be year, and then I will say month and day, and this will be simple full, and then I can somehow I can output it. So and current it is FTE is what simple format, and then I put inside of okay. So I say south, and I say simple year dot format, and I say date now, for example, and this one will be simple full, like so, and we try. How does it look? And it looks awesome. We have more parameters which we can use. And there's error designator. Oh, whoa. And okay, so HH I like more, so we will say, uh, simple date format, and this will be uh, or minutes, and then seconds, I guess. And extract it. And it will be simple hours, for example. Oh, we will output it south. I will say simple hours dot format, and here it will input the date now, like that, and I will run it again. And that should show me the beautiful time, which is currently, which would be 18:29, 27. Okay, cool. So we did horse around that, and there's like more things which I can use. And well, not really. Well, we can go over that maybe later. So, but I'm interested in this guy over here, and I will paste it. Maybe I can do this. Here we go. And X, you go here. Then I will select you. Boom, boom. Paste it over. Date formatting using printf. Okay. How does this work? Maybe it could be like south. F. Uh, so south. Okay, south, and here will be year. Your S. Month. It will be S, and we will say day. S. and we will say hour, and it will be S, and then second, and I'm good. S, and I think then I can provide a list of parameters, right? So it will be month, so that will be year. Oh, crap. I kinda, okay, so this will be year. Oh no, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. So I will say, what do I see here? Date now. Oh my God. Get year. Oh, and it's deprecated. How come? Deprecated. Normalize get year. Okay, so what they do? They do date DC. What does DC stands for? Okay. Um, what if I run it like this? Will it crash? Will it complain that I did not support like all of the things, or it will just say as null null null? Da -da 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 -da. It bombs out. Man, there's a problem. There is a problem. Okay, so I will delete you, and I will use the same thing. Oh no. I will say date, and here's the st it was, I think. I'll stop everything. I stop everything I say, and now I will run it again. Rerun date and time. It was DC. Okay, so that's not good. So stop again. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Come on. Nothing works. No one talks to me. I'm alone. Oh, not really. Here we go. So, oh, it did output something. Wednesday, March 11, 18, 33, 24, CT 2020. Yay! Will this be different? Uh, it's the same thing without the T. Okay, so we have the output, some example. Whoa, 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 what is this? Okay, I can understand this. The name and type formatting you can be done easily by using printf. You use two-letter formats starting with T, which stands for time, I guess, ending in one of the letters of above table showing code. Ah, cool. That is cool, my friend. What is this dollar sign? Output. It would be a bit silly if you had supplied the date and date multiple times to format each part. For that reason, a format string can indicate the index of the argument to be formatted. The index must immediately follow the percent, and it must be terminated by dollar. For example, this will produce following. Okay, now I don't understand it fully. How can I? No, 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 no. String format. Local L. String format. Due date. What? Well, let's run it and see if that works or not. And it says due date, and we have 1S, 2B, so S is second and minute. Doo -doo -doo -doo. Compilation finished. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Okay. So what tree is this? And rerun it. And maybe we can give you more space to breathe, my friend. And I don't need to show lines. Show lines. Come on. Show line numbers. Here we go. I don't need that currently. No one needs that. Well, sometimes it's helpful. What trickery? Okay, so I did not. I see. So print fur, and I'm guessing I need to do. Oh no, I need to do this, right? Rerun it. This should be like the new line in here. Yep. Okay, so that works, but how come this one works and what these things mean? Because I have due date and then using printf. Okay, this will get us that. The It would be a bit silly if you had to supply date multiple times to format each part. For that reason, a format string can indicate the index of the argument to be formatted. The index must immediately follow the... One S. Okay, so I guess this is the first is a string. I have $1 and then $2, $222. It is a string. This means string, right? Or what does it mean? Second and minute, not really. And I have 3 parameters in there. What was the output? I've got 1, 2, 3 things. Okay, so January, that will be the what was it? TB, big B, where's big B? Big B, big B, big B, big B. I don't see it. Month in year, July or 7. Okay, so it says to be. Do you see capital B? I don't see capital B. Okay, there's TD, which will be day. So day in the month. This one I can see. And then we have to Y. So that would be a year, I guess. Where's Y? What? Here's not Y? Yeah, year in 4 digits. Smaller Y. Big Y. Okay, I don't like it. Simple date format codes. I don't know. Maybe I don't care that much. And there is something alternative. You can use this flag. Indicates that the same argument in preceding format should be used. What? What trickery is this? Uh, all right. So we are out of the time, so we will write what we need to continue in next time, and that is this guy. And we will close the run thing. I will commit this date and time in progress. In progress number 2. And we'll commit and what? Okay, there we go, push. So we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.